When we consider everyday necessities, we often overlook the most vital: the right to breathe freely, drink clean water, and walk without any fear. But for the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, these basic human rights have been systematically denied. Despite being a signatory to core treaties like the ICCPR and ICSCR, which guarantee freedom of expression and prohibit torture, India's obligations still remain theoretically in Kashmir. The UN Human Rights Officers, their reports documenting systematic abuse, they were dismissed as motivated, and access for UN investigators have been refused. The revocation of Article 370 in 2019 was seen as the dismantling of Kashmiri political identity. But the subsequent issuance of domicile certificates to the non-locals is reportedly altering the region's demography, and ancestral properties are still being taken over. Collective punishment, such as the demolition of over 200 homes, is now repackaged as law enforcement, and repression is institutionalized through laws like Public Safety Act (PSA) and the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act (UAPA), under which hundreds remain detained without any trial, including human rights defenders like Khurram Pervez. Torture in custody is widespread, and extrajudicial killings are routinely masked as encounters. The Armed Forces Special Power Act (AFSPA) further shields security forces from prosecution of acts like sexual violence. Enforced disappearances have left thousands and thousands of families in uncertainty. Kashmir further leads the world in internet shutdowns, crippling educational and journalism. Surveillance is routine, and even memory is being criminalized through books ban and the summoning of journalists. The international response, it has been weak, often muted by strategic and economic interest. Organizations like Amnesty International, they have been forced to cease operations, and the people of Kashmir, they just demand justice. Not sympathy, just justice. Their struggle is for the right to live with dignity and to determine their future. Until silence is replaced with action, international law still remains an essential right, visible only in its absence.